Mrs. Peterson here, and now I'm going to show you how to go find a template for your present. So go ahead and click on the word present template, and now we're going to go ahead and go over to Google, and we're going to do a Google search. You can start with PNG presents, and these are harder. So if you're like a person who likes a challenge, then you want to find a 3D present, probably not anything that looks like a photograph, but something like this would work, or something like this would work, or something like this would work, or something like this would work. But I'm going to go ahead and make the easier one. So I'm going to put 2D. And when you type in 2D, you're going to see it's an easier look. And I would suggest that you don't find things with rounded corners. That's a totally different way of doing it. So just for this tutorial, this one actually is 2D, even though it looks 3D. I'm going to look for a present that has square edges for my basic. That one's not bad. This one's not bad. I'm going to make a different bow than this. So you're going to look around and find a present. I'm going to try this one. Okay. So here I'm going to right click and I'm going to copy image. Copy image. I'm going to go back to my Photoshop. I want to make sure that I'm on the present template, and I'm going to do paste or Command V. There's my image. Paste or Command V, and there's my image. But I want to make this image as big as I can on this piece of canvas, all right? So I'm going to do Command T for transform, and I want to make sure that this, for this tutorial, I want to make sure that this link is dark. And what that does is it keeps the dimensions of that present. So I made it pretty big, and then I move it so that I'm going to take up the whole one. I just noticed that this particular one has rounded edges right there. So in the next video, you'll see that I will have a different one that does not have rounded edges, because rounded edges makes it a little bit different ball of wax. But once you have that there, you can push the check mark, and then you're ready for the next tutorial. So in the next tutorial, you'll see a different present that has square edges. All right, I love you. I miss you already. Go out and change your world for the better.